Hey guys, and this is a really cool Minecraft house. I've videotaped it before. Go look around.
Look at how much experience points he has.
So, my first room, like on the other video, yes, my room with my pet,
Named
then my
Piggy.
other pet. How did he get out? He's supposed to be. Let's see if he's over here. There's another one over here.
Maybe the baby girl.
Where's the scorpion? But I mean, not the scorpion, but
Silverfish?
what?
He fell in heaven. Okay, let's go back to the minecarts. Carry on. Carry on.
Okay, so I introduced you the first room. And you know what? I'm just gonna have to kill my pet. I'll ruin this. I'll make a new one, right?
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's get some more experience points. XP. No. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Enter. Ka-ching.
I think that's the most you could get. 24,791.
So that's 2,004,700.
It's
Get
3
in there.
billion experience points.
What the heck?
Dude, you're pressing it the wrong way.
Oh, 3?
Yeah. Dude. Want me to just get you in?
No.
Go. He built most of this, but I made the
Some
part when you fall down.
This is really cool. So yeah. Next up, I have my little fishing place. So I'll just use a fishing rod.
Are there fish in there?
No, they're all spawned. So
That isn't spawning.
what?
Those aren't spawned.
Oh yeah. How would
You
you?
can put silverfish in. And squid.
Get them?
You can put silverfish and squid.
It doesn't matter.
What
Like
is
always.
squid in?
I'll just get that sign. Yay. Nah. Kill him. Pass.
Sorry if you can't see there.
How long is the video so far?
a squid in.
How long is the video so far?
3 minutes and 30 seconds.
That's
3
it.
minutes and 30 seconds.
Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna use this sword to kill that stupid slime.
It took one thing.
It takes the fishing rod annoying. There's some iron golems over there. I'll show you how to do it.
Let me see. I'm gonna see the garden clubs. Where are they? Let me see those boys.
There's one.
Yo, what's up? I think everybody
Iron
knows how to make
golem.
an iron golem.
Wanna play tag? Let's play. Alright.
Spawn something to have them
Come on,
fight.
hit me.
Fight a blaze. Dude, have them fight a
Right.
blaze.
Wee.
Dude, have them fight a blaze.
Wanna see boys, guys?
Let's have them fight a blaze. Oh! Spawn 3 of them.
Oh, they win against the iron golem. Oh, they caught him on fire. Will he catch on fire again? And yes, that's your answer to the question. Down. I don't like all this fire here. Oh, that iron golem's dead. I guess I'll have to take him on. You guys try to kill me. Is he always on fire?
Well, it doesn't affect him.
How do they fly? Oh, you wanna go? Yeah, he's dead.
Kill the rest of them.
Hooray! Huh? Hi. Ma! Oh no. That's not good to throw fire.
That's
It's not
dangerous.
good. It's dangerous. Could you please not do that? Come on, please don't do that. It's not appropriate.
For your age.
What? Oh, you did that? When you're older, you could do it.
Like us, we get the fire in your face. Choo-choo train. Everybody welcome to the choo-choo train. Choo-choo train.
That's an awesome one.
I have a bigger one.
Hmm?
I have a bigger one.
No, it's not.
Is that Super Flat World?
Yeah.
Find a village?
No. Yeah, guys, you can find a village in this. So let's show you. I'll show you how to make an iron golem.
Iron golem. Get a pumpkin.
There. Put in there.
Pumpkin. Get the pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie. Can I take over soon?
Yeah, you get next video.
Okay. Yeah, that's right. We're making another video.
We have tons of videos on the internet, guys. That's right. Tons.
So, is it Ben B1986?
We'll have to check it out after.
Yeah.
We'll say it on our next video.
Ben B9186, I think.
I don't know.
And we can get a pumpkin on the top. And
And
huzzah!
there you go. Get that. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, that's right. Come on, take care of my slimes. Come on, get them for me, Iron Golem. Come on, slap them in the face. While they're doing that, I'll just do this. What?
Dude, AD, that's what you did.
Time set. Okay. There. Whee!
Dude, you could just do time set 0.
Hmm?
You could just do time set 0 or time set
I just like doing time set there.
12,000.
12,000.
12,000, yeah, whatever.
Okay, Iron Golem, I need you.
Mm-hmm. Spawn another one.
Yeah, that's right. You want the big guns to come out? They take care of round. They take care.
You spawn a wither.
How?
I'll show you how.
Wee! Come on!
Okay, same thing as a golem. Just get soul sand.
Really? But do they do anything to you?
No.
Nothing?
Mm-mm. That's not how you spell soul.
Oh.
It's O-U-L. Then you need wither skeletons. Wither skull skeletons, that's what they're called.
Not yet.
Okay? Okay, so put soul sand down. Like an iron golem. Now go up top, on top. Put them on all 3. And it's alive. Mhm. And they fight iron golems, but they don't fight you.
There you go.
It destroys stuff, but it won't destroy your house and stuff.
Explodes? Does it explode?
No, that's only when it spawns. It won't destroy your stuff, though.
Oh, wow.
It could lock onto you and won't try to shoot you. I guess. I don't know.
Could you do that and it'll try to hurt you?
It'll just run away from you.
What?
I might. Oh, okay, it's locked onto you. Go back to your house. Dude, it won't follow you.
Is that a boss?
Is that a boss? I think it's a boss.
Yeah, it is.
The wither boss or something. So.
You get from it. So yeah, it's really cool.
And that's about it.
Never ever spawn one of these near your house.
Like he did. Well, actually, I don't think they kill your house.
No, I mean like when they
Right next to your house. Though. And
wow, that thing's fast.
oh, it doesn't care what it kills. It kills just anything in sight.
Really?
Yeah. Not your house though.
Good.
It kills like animals.
That's good, dude. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, that was our epic video. See you later. Bye.